Science Radio Corner Tech Talk welcomes everyone with the latest update from the world of science. This is RJ Arif Krishna. ISRO set to hit a century. Preparations complete for the 100th launch from Sriharikota. The Indian Space Research Organization ISRO is gearing up for the 100th launch from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota. The milestone launch is scheduled to take place on January 29 with the GSLV F-15 NVS-2 mission. The NVS-2 is a satellite that is part of the navigation with Indian Constellation Navic System. This launch will take place from the second launch pad at the Satish Dhawan Space Center. It's me, RJ Arif Krishna, signing off from MSBS.